Today I had a very lengthy discussion with someone. Don't worry, till I didn't prophesy. No, I'll come back. I'm not going anywhere. Whatever I did yesterday, take it like that. I'll come back. I didn't have time. It's already 10 o'clock. I have to run out. I'll come back. It's my house. It's my house, so I'll come back. It's my house. Listen. Yesterday I had a conversation with someone who watched some snippets of yesterday's program on my daughter's page, Lizzie's page. And the person said to me, how old is the church? And I said 1 year. And the person said to me, wow. I said, yeah. So I started doing calculation to the person, because I'm an expert of doing program. I'm not sure anybody does program more than me in this country. I'm not sure. I'm always doing something. Like in a month's time, I'm doing 50 days fasting and prayers, bringing 7 prophets. This year, 50 days is all about prophets. It's all about prophets. Only prophets are coming. The rest will come next year. Now listen, I do programs, and I know the pain in organizing this. So I did a rough calculation with the person who were talking, and I know it will hit 200,000 above. I know. I'm very expert. It's my job. Then I said to the lady that he has done well. That is the reason why you saw me preach with all my heart. Normally, I don't do this kind of thing. That's why you see me advertise on all my platforms. I don't advertise any church on my platform. Who are you? Especially on Prophecy Life. It will never happen. It will never happen. For me to put that poster there, no, it will not happen. Even if you are my spiritual father. It doesn't happen. I don't do that. Anything you see me put there is about my program and my brand. Not even my pastors. No. That is the only program that none of my pastors will even come and sit on and do it for me. If I'm not there, play back. It's me. There are 2 programs that are very dear to me, BTP and Prophecy Life. So if I advertise, that is truly, genuinely